Number 7, this is the second part of this chapter, simultaneous equation algebra 1. So first, 2x plus y equals to 5, this is a equation 1, and 3x minus 2y is a equation 4. Equals to 4 is a equation 2. Okay, then from equation 1, we get 2x plus y equals to 5. We can write y equals to 5 minus 2x, and we can write this one equation 3. Okay, now equation 2, we put y equals to 5 minus 2x. So here is 3x minus 2y equals to 4. Then here is 3x minus 2y means 5 minus 2x and equals to 4. Right? Then 3x minus 10 minus and minus plus 4x equals to 4. So 3x plus 4x, it will be 7x, and 4 minus 10 will become plus 10. So here is 7x equals to 14. So once we divide both sides by 7, so x equals to 2. So we get x equals to 2. This x equal to 2 we can put in equation 3. So we can get 5 minus, or we can write like this, in equation 3 we put x equals to 2, right? Then y equals to 5 minus 2x, then 5 minus 2 times x means 2. So 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So answer is x and y equals to, x means 2 and y is 1. Okay, clear? Hope you understand. This is very easy math, but we have to complete everything step by step. So number 7 done. Now number 8. Number 8, 2x plus y equals to 13, which is equation 1, and 5x minus 4y equals to 13, equation 2. So from equation 1, we get, here is 2x plus y equals to 13, and we can write y equals to 13 minus 2x. Why we make the result of y? Because this y, it means 13 minus 2x, we will put on equation 2, because here in the question mentioned, use the substitution method to solve the following equation. So now in equation 2 we put y equals to 13 minus 2x, right? So 5x minus 4y equals to 13, and here 5x minus 4y means 13 minus 2x and equals to 13. So 5x minus 4 times 13 is 52, minus and minus it will be plus, 4 times 2 8x equals to 13. So 5x plus 8x, it will be 13x equals to 52 plus 13, it will be 65. So x equals to, once we divide both sides by 13, we will get 5, because 5 times 13 is a 65. So we get x equals to 5. Now equation 3, What is equation 3? Y equals to 13 minus 2x. We can make this one equation 3. We put x equals to 5. So y equals to 13 minus 2x. Here is 13 minus 2. X means 5. Here is 13 minus 10 and result is 3. So answer x y equals to, x means 5 and y is 3. Okay, number 8 done. Now number 9 we will start. Number 9, 7x plus 2y equals to 19, which is equation 1. X minus y equals to 4, equation 2. So in these two equations, first equation 2 we get what? X minus 2y equals to 4. So x equals to 4 plus y. We make this equation 3. Now this x, it means 4 plus y, we will put equation 1. In equation 1 we put x equals to 4 plus y. So what is 7x plus 2y equals to 19. So 7x means 4 plus y plus 2y equals to 19. So 7 times 4 is 28. 7y plus 2y equals to 19, right? Then 7 plus 2y, it's a 9y, and here is 19, then minus 28. So what we will get? 9y equals to minus 9, right? So once we divide both sides by 9, we will get y equals to minus 1. Okay, we already find one result. Now equation 3 we put y equals to minus 1. So equation 3 is x equals to 4 plus y. So 4 plus y means minus 1. So 4 minus 1 and the result is 3. So what we already get? We get x y equals to 3 minus 1. Okay, done. So this video we already did 3 math. Next video, it means part 3, we will start from number 10. It will be starting math of part 3. Okay, so no more today. Thank you very much for being with me. If you think this video is okay for you and it is helping you, please, my request, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.